In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and view the Google Forms that you've submitted. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you want to review your responses or ensure that your submission has been successfully received. Whether you're filling out forms for work, school, or personal use, being able to track your submissions can really come in handy. Let's start with the very first thing you'll need to do, signing into your Google account. Head over to the Google Forms website. Once there, you'll see a sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in, click next, then enter your password on the following screen and click sign in again. This step is crucial because accessing your submitted forms is only possible when you're logged into the account used to submit them. After you're signed in, navigate to your Google Forms homepage. Here you'll see a list of forms you've created or have been shared with you. But remember, we're here to find the forms you've submitted. To do this, there's no direct link or page in Google Forms showing your submissions for forms created by others. Instead, your best bet to revisit a form you've submitted is through the forms confirmation page or any email confirmation you might have received upon submission. Typically, form creators set up their forms to send you a copy of your responses. Let's dive a bit deeper into managing your responses for forms you've created, as this is where Google Forms allows you more direct access and control. If you're looking for the responses to a form you've submitted and don't have the link or didn't receive an email, you may need to contact the form creator directly to ask for a copy of your responses. For form creators wanting to review or manage responses, you'll first need to open your form. Find your form on the Google Forms homepage and click to open it. Once it's open, look for the settings icon. It's typically located near the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will reveal various options for managing your form. To view the responses that have been submitted, click on the Responses tab. This will show you a summary of all responses collected by your form. If you're trying to view responses in a more detailed manner, click on the first drop-down menu you see in the Responses section. This allows you to toggle between summary data and individual responses. For further reviewing individual responses, click on the individual option, often symbolized by an icon resembling a person. This allows you to navigate through each participant's submissions one at a time. Google Forms also provides powerful tools for analyzing your data. By clicking on the second drop-down menu in the Responses section, you can adjust how you view the collected data. Selecting responder input from this menu, for example, changes how the information is displayed, making it easier for you to review specific details from each submission. Lastly, if you need to access your form responses at a specific time or under certain conditions, selecting when requested from this drop-down offers options to customize when and how you receive notifications about new responses. Remember, while Google Forms is a powerful tool for gathering information, managing access to that information efficiently is key to leveraging it effectively. Whether you're looking to review your submissions or manage responses to the forms you've created, these steps will guide you in the right direction. So take these tips and start exploring your submissions with ease and efficiency.